Hey Roblox players! If Roblox isn't launching on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, don't worry. Here's how to fix it in under a minute. First, restart your computer. This simple step can often fix many minor issues. Next, make sure you have the latest version of Roblox. Open the Microsoft Store or visit the Roblox website. Download and install the newest version. If that doesn't work, clear the Roblox cache. Press Window plus R, type %local update at %, and hit enter. Find the Roblox folder, right-click, and click delete. This clears out any corrupted or outdated files that might be causing issues. Also, update your Windows system by going to Settings, Windows Update, and installing any pending updates. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility problems. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall Roblox through the control panel. A fresh installation can often solve stubborn issues. And that's it. These quick steps should help get Roblox up and running again. If this helped, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick fixes. Happy gaming!